Hello, and thank you for joining us. We are Fortress Financial Advisory Group here in Southern California. What you are about to see is a very short overview of our retirement plan rescue. My name is Greg Lancer.
And I'm Walt Lusk.
At the end of this overview, you will have a chance to contact us to set up your own personal presentation.
And we look forward to meeting you.
Yes, we do. So if you're ready, here we go. Who we are is the official home of the Retirement Lifeguard that rescues your retirement savings from the financial risks
And the sharks.
of the marketplace. With us, basically, you've got a lifeguard on duty. What we do is rescue your money out of your business to achieve your personal retirement income goals. And then we build a fortress around your
We
finances.
sure do.
Our unique solution is for the business owner and the W-2 and or the key employee. Our solution handles all of your 401k challenges, and it provides a tax-free income.
Essentially putting all of your ducks in a row.
It's a custom plan where what we do is front-end tax planning to provide for
Back-end tax-free income.
very important.
Vitally important.
Are you presently maxing out your retirement contributions?
Are you rolling the dice with your options?
Are you preparing for a taxable retirement income? As in,
Kaboom!
I hope not, because if so, you need a retirement plan rescue. Let's talk real quick about your money and how it's growing. There's a formula we all use out there, and it's called the Rule of 72. It basically tells us how long it takes for your money to double.
So if you're earning 4%, divide that into 72, your money doubles every 18 years. If your money's earning 1%, it'll double in 72 years.
Wow. So the question is, how many doubling periods do you have left in your lifetime? Because typically your investment options are the 401k or the 403b or the SEP or the simple or the traditional IRAs and all the others. But the final result for all of these options is everyone's problem, and that is risk.
Look at the lost decade of the 2000s, and there are several before.
And of course, taxes.
Do you believe your taxes are going to go down, stay the same, or go up in the future?
Well, here's one more biggie, and it's called depletion. How long will your retirement nest egg really last?
From our experience, the average IRA 401k is depleted in less than 10 years.
So what if you live too long? So if your 401k is depleted in less than a decade, will you have golden years of employment or will you have golden years of enjoyment? So the question is, what's your favorite color, blue or orange?
Well, I know, Walmart and Home Depot, they're hiring.
Yes, they are, but we don't want you to go there. We want to introduce to you the Solar Plan. It's a 401k lookalike plan or alternative 401k strategy that employers and employees can use to overcome the challenges of retirement planning.
It is a self-owned life in retirement arrangement where a business owner or employee purchases a very uniquely designed product providing living benefits and retirement income that's tax-free.
Here's an example. We got an S-Corp business owner. His name is Weth. He's age 52. He takes for himself a K1 distribution of $30,000 annually, which is basically removing it from his business. He repeats it every year for 10 years, but he owes $9,000 in taxes annually. So with the Solar Plan, what it does, it provides him the $9,000 needed to pay his annual taxes every year, which enables him to put in the full $300,000 contribution.
Full amount.
So at age 63, Wes now has $36,000 annual income for life that's tax-free, and he never depletes his account. Here's another example.
We've got Peter. He gets a bonus every year of $25,000 as a key employee, but his company withholds $7,500 for taxes. So he only is able to contribute $17,500 annually, and he repeats this every year for the next 12 years. But Solar provides a tax restoration loan of that $7,500 and contributes it into his retirement plan, giving him the full $25,000 annual contribution into his retirement plan. And if he retires at age 51, he receives $27,000 a year for the rest of his life. Or he can let Solar bake for 10 years.
Right, with no further contributions, and then receive $60,000 annual income for life. Now, both of these options are tax-free, and they never deplete the account. Here's a final example real quick. A gal, she's a C-Corp business owner. 50 years old, she's got $200,000 profit in her corporation before tax. She takes for herself a bonus of $50,000 annually, which is naturally tax deductible as compensation. She repeats this every year for 10 years. Now she's got a 34% corporate tax rate, so $17,000 is owed annually. In this situation, she bonuses herself again to pay those annual taxes due, so she doesn't really utilize the loan feature inside the solar plan, but she's still able to put in the full $500,000 in only 10 years. At age 61, look at this.
She's going to receive $55,000 a year for the rest of her life. And again, it is completely tax-free and never able to deplete the account.
Right. Now remember this, tax-free income does not affect your Social Security
Not in the
income
least.
like your 401k or your IRA will.
Not in the least.
Here's a few questions that we get. One of them is, this is too good to be true. And honestly, I would agree. However, until the new paradigm of self-owned retirement plans came into being with global indexing as the win-win crediting strategy, and we'll talk about more about that when we see you, but there are contractual guarantees with no market risk. Now, these plans are from the companies that manage our grandparents' retirements.
Sure are. And another question we get is, we've never heard of this before. Well, traditional retirement planners, stockbrokers, and CPAs are doing what the masses are doing. And if the masses were right,
They'd be rich.
yeah. Also, they're not licensed to do this, and we are actually taking money out of their pockets via fees and assets under management.
Right.
And this strategy as a retirement vehicle has really been around for well over a century. And this is a specialty of the elite, but it is now available to everyone.
Right. Here's another question we get. What is this really? And honestly, we want to be real simple about it and just say that it's a way to rescue your hard-earned money out of your business and or contribute money beyond those traditional IRS limits into a cash building account with guarantees and no risk.
Guarantees and no risk.
Now here's a few testimonials we pulled off our website, and there's more on there. We encourage you to go on and read them. Here's one from a gal in San Clemente, California. She says, I'm putting away way more than I normally would with my 401k, and I won't be taxed when I take it back out. That's outrageous. I thought it was too good to be true until I saw it on paper for myself. Thank you, Fortress Group.
We've got a client in San Diego that says, amazing that my CPA or financial advisor never presented this to me before. What a difference it would have made if I'd known about this years earlier. Never mind the 401k alternative, this is replacing my 401k.
That's right. Now this is available to business owners, whatever structure you have, or employees, whether it be a W-2 or a key employee. So let's run some numbers. We'd love to do this for you. We would like to come out and meet with you and have you tell us about your business, your needs, and your situation so we can custom design a rescue plan for you.
And you can check us out at our website at www.myretirementlifeguard.com.
You can also reach us via email, info@myretirementlifeguard.com, or we've got a few phone numbers to call. So please give us a call, and we would love to meet with you, and we are really looking forward to it.
Hey, thanks for checking us out.